Hi everyone, welcome to my Sibelia Beauty channel. How are you? I hope you're okay, and in this video I'm going to unbox my November BoxyCharm. I have two of them. I have two subscriptions, so this is why I have two boxes. So I will show you the variation that I have. So the month of November, the theme was Stellar, and I'm not going to waste too much of time on the price of the box and everything. You will have it all in the description box, because this is not PR box that I received. I paid with my own money, so I'm not paid or sponsored or anything, so I will not waste too much money on it, unless I will just say that if you want to subscribe and you are new, you can use my referral link. It will give me points that I can redeem through products. And then if you subscribe, don't forget to use the coupon code that I will leave also in the description box, because you will have a gift in your first box, so don't forget to use the coupon. And also please comment on the video how you want me to make this video. Do you want me to make like tutorials with the palettes or with the items? Do you want me to try them, to give you feedbacks, or you just want me to show what I have, the value, and that's it? Easy breezy. And then later on I can make tutorials with the products that I will have. Of course I'm going to use it and give you reviews, but you can tell me in the description box how you want me to make these subscription box in the future. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to start with the Dominique Cosmetic Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. She's a YouTuber, and it's a nice color palette. You can see it, they are really gorgeous. And I used the Eternal Light, this color here, in the inner corner of my eyes. And I did use, for the eye makeup, I used the Bake Brown of Dose of Colors from previous month of October. And then we had the choice between two of the products, the Caprice and then the Juice Beauty. And since I had two subscriptions, I tried to get one of each in each box, and I did receive them. So the first one, like I said, it's Juice box, and this one retail for $50 American, and it's $65 Canadian. And this is the bottle, how it looks. When you open it, you have like a little feet here, and you use it under your eyes and around. It makes it easier for the application. So I forgot to tell the price of the palette. The palette in American, it's $35. So I couldn't find it in Canadian. And in Sephora, she has the larger palette. So I put $10 box, because usually in Sephora, there's always $10 difference between the American and Canadian price. So I put $45 worth of value for this one here. And then we have Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick, and I did receive the color Date Night, and it's a red color. It's not what I have on my lips, but it's really gorgeous bright red. So this one, it has a value of $18, and in Canadian $23. And I did receive the Pop and a Starry Eye Pop Mask set of 2, and these value for $10. I couldn't find them in Canadian, so I put $20 for them. And since I have in November the BoxyCharm Premium and the regular box, that there was brushes that you will see in my other video. And since to avoid doubles of products, so if you got the premium, in this box here you would get the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. So I was pretty happy with this. I was crossing my fingers that they will have enough quantity so that I can have it, because I always want to try it. And this one has a value of $39, and in Canadian it was $52. So my first box, the value was $152, $2, and in Canadian it was kind of making $205. But I was really, how can I say that, beside this, I was really sad that I had these in both of the box, and it was the cheapest thing that you could have in this box. And both of my box, the value is really low compared to all the other box, because all the other unboxing that I saw, the value, minimum value that I saw was $200, $207 American, and my values are really lower than 100. It's around $150. So let me show you what I had in the second box. The only different thing that I had, it was the Kypress antioxidant dew quench and glow serum, this one here. And why my value of that box was a little higher, because this one here, it retails for $90 American, so it kind of made it like $120 Canadian. But like I said, the value of my two box were really low, and I did receive, of course, firstly in the both box. I don't know if this is why they kind of kept the value low, because we had the firstly, they didn't really care to put us you know, good, because you could have the Becca highlight, or there was some sponge or other mask that value more than just $10. So yeah, but overall I'm still happy, because I did the I have this serum here, I have the Juice Beauty full size, dose of colors. I love lipstick, and it's matte. I love eyeshadow palette. Overall, I'm happy, but when I see other people's boxes, I was like, why? And I received all the same thing, the same color for the lipstick. So yeah, but again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to use my referral link if you want to subscribe, and the coupon code, the code. Each month there's different codes, so don't forget to use it to have a free gift. And also don't forget to subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye.